Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious French toast on a griddle. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 8 slices of thick-cut bread, ideally brioche or challah for that perfect texture. Next, prepare your rich custard. Whisk together 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a dash of vanilla extract in a shallow dish. This simple mixture forms the heart of your amazing French toast. Now let's prepare for cooking. Carefully dip each slice of bread into your custard mixture. Ensure it's fully coated but not overly saturated. About 5 to 10 seconds per side is usually perfect. While the bread soaks, preheat your griddle. Set it to a medium-low temperature, aiming for approximately 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, lightly grease the surface with about 1 tablespoon of butter or a quick spray of cooking oil to prevent sticking. It's time to cook. Carefully place your custard-soaked bread slices onto the preheated, greased griddle. Make sure not to overcrowd the surface, allowing enough space between each piece for even cooking. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until each piece achieves a beautiful golden brown color and is cooked through. For food safety, the internal temperature should reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a perfectly cooked and delicious result every time. Finally, the best part, serving your incredible French toast. Transfer the warm slices to plates and serve them immediately. The possibilities for toppings are endless. Drizzle with pure maple syrup, add a handful of fresh berries, or simply dust with powdered sugar. For an extra touch, consider a dollop of whipped cream or a sprinkle of chopped nuts. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, golden brown French toast, a delightful treat for any meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.